This is the PPC Plastic Plane Company Aer Lingus ATR 72-600 in 1/100 scale. This model comes as a snap fit kit that you could easily put together with no glue required. As you can see, the wings are one solid piece that will just clip onto the top of the body here. Push them in. There you go, the wings attached. And these wings come with propellers, which you just take the propeller, the nose of the propeller, put it on, and then you can just push it onto the plane. And as you can see, propeller spins. Let's quickly do the other propeller. There you have plane, wings, two spinning propellers, which is a lot of fun to play with. Now moving on to the tail, which is in two parts as well. It has this part and this part. They just slide together like so. There you have the tail. And the tail just clicks onto the back here. Like that. There you have the completed model. It's quite a nice model, as you can see. It's got the Aer Lingus logo and livery. Got a registration of EIGPN, Irish flag, obviously Aer Lingus is an Irish company. Very nice detail, got a nice clover. As you can see, it's very clean, the design. Very nice. Very good shape as well. Very, very cleanly designed. Well, moving propellers, which is always a nice touch for a plane like this. And it also comes with its own stand, which you can see here, it says Aer Lingus, the logo, and ATR 72-600, the name of the aircraft. Stand just fits together like so. As you can see, on the model there is a little hole for the model to then clip onto. There you have it, the Aer Lingus ATR 72-600 in 1/100 scale. On its stand, moving propellers, from a couple angles. And this model has a wingspan of about 27.05 centimeters. And it's about 27.17 centimeters long. And this all comes packaged in this box here. As you can see, it's got a picture of the plane itself on a runway. As it says landing, it shows the picture of landing gear. This model does not have any landing gear, which is very apparent. You can see no landing gear. And on the box, it has Aer Lingus again, the name of the plane, the ATR 72-600, and some info about the plane, such as the real wingspan, the real length, and the real height of said plane, and the scale, which is 1/100. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.